where I want to start. Is there any possibility? Sorry, is there any possibilities to reduce the resistor? Guys, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me from where I want to start. Is it possible to reduce R1 and R2? Whether it is in series or parallel combination? Guys, what happened to everyone? You're able to see the screen at least.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's respond whether
R2
you
R4 parallel, sir.
add to
R4.
R4. Is it parallel? No, it's not parallel, right? Parallel means both terminals has to combine together. That is a parallel combination.
Same ohm past the line, sir.
Is there any series combination? Let's check it. Entire circuit. Is there any series combination?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which one? Which resistors?
R1, R2.
R1, R2 cannot able to be series here. One more branch is going. Series means there won't be any branches or node. Directly it has to connect like this. Parallel means the two resistor or component will be having the
R10 and R8, sir.
Sir,
yeah.
sir,
It,
என்ன கேட்டிங்க சார் கொஸ்டின் என்ன சார் கேட்டீங்க இது R1
R10 and R8 is series, sir.
yeah, correct. So R10 and R8 are in series value. Okay. So here R8 is 10 ohm and R10 is 2 ohm. So totally, this if you combine, it will get 12 ohm, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 12 ohm I got it. Now any series parallel combination?
No, sir. Only
No.
that, sir.
Only that.
Yeah.
Sure. Are you sure? Look at that. The new value 12 ohm. And what about the R9? Whether both the end are connected at parallel combination?
Which sir?
R9 and R9 and 12 ohm. Now we found, right? We just recombined the R8 and R9 because of series combination. So 10 plus
Then
2,
R9
12 I
also
got.
become a series, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
R9
Also become a
series or
series.
parallel? Series or parallel?
R9 is parallel, sir. It can't be series,
Parallel.
sir, because
So,
R7
wait,
is also
I
linking.
will, yeah, I will redraw this. Listen, this R8 and R10 are series combination, so we combine. Okay. After we combine, this terminal will be common, right? Here and here you may get one common terminal. So that terminal will be connected to your R9, which is parallel. So this R8 plus R10 is parallel with R9. Okay.
Yes, R9.
So that 12 plus this is value 6. 6. 6. So it becomes 18. So after if you redraw this, your circuit will be like this. This is a and this is a RH, and here after you recombine, your circuit structure will be like this. and this is R7, and this is the new value. So new value in the sense, first we did a series combination with R8 and R10, that is nothing but the 12. After the 12 will be parallel with your R9. Okay, so what is the parallel formula? R equivalent value?
R
What's the
equivalent is
parallel
equal to
formula?
R1 plus R2, R1 by
R1
R2 plus R2 by
R1
R2.
into multiply by R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is 12 and another value is 6 ohm and divided by 12 plus 6. That is nothing but 18. Just find out the value. What is R equivalent value?
72, sir. Upper numerator.
Divided by 18.
12, 6,
Sir,
sir.
answer 4.
4, sir.
So answer is 4 ohm. Okay, so here you got 4 ohm. So look at that. We are having the parallel combination of higher resistance value, but the equivalent resistance value became R4. Okay, it became lesser when it is in parallel. Now, the R8 from here we having one more node, and from R7 we having one more node. Okay, later we will consider this remaining node. Now consider R8, R7, and the new value F4. Now, any series parallel combination?
No, sir.
No. Are you sure?
Diagram.
I can tell. I redraw that. So I am telling that R7 having the series combination with 4 ohm, right?
Yeah, sir.
So there is no any node is going out. Just it is simply connected with R4, right? There is no any node is going on. So I am telling that
Even
R7
R8
is
is also series only, no, sir. R8 is connected to R7 to series only, sir.
R8 is cannot
sir,
be
no,
series.
sir.
Why? Because
No,
here
no,
one
yes,
more
sir,
node
yes,
is
sir.
connecting outside.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah, sir. I didn't see that. Yeah, yeah.
So R7 is series with R4. After if you reduce this circuit, the new value
ஏய் யாருக்கா ஏதாச்சும் கேக்குதாடா?
கேக்கல.
No.
இதை மட்டும் நம்மளாம் ஒற்றுமையா இருக்கோம் பாரு. ஏய் உங்களுடைய பிசிக்ஸ் செமஸ்டர் மார்க்லாம் வந்துச்சுடா.
அப்படி என்ன மார்க் சொல்லு?
டாப் ரைட்டுங்கற.
எவ்வளோ? எவ்வளோடா?
ஆஹா. இரு இரு.
என்னடா?
நான் மச்சான்.
மச்சான் மார்க் வந்திருக்குடா உனக்கு.
ராஜேஷ்குமார். ஐயோ ராஜேஷ்.
ராஜேஷ் எவ்வளோ?
ஏய் எவ்வளவுலாம் சொன்னா அவனை சாவடிச்சிருவான். சிவம்குமார் சிவம் ப்ரோ.
மச்சான் நீ எத்தனை?
நானா? டேய் எந்து காணோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் ரஃபீல்து காணோம், ராக்கி இதுக்கு சுரேஷ் ராஜசூர்யா அது காணோம், ரித்தீஷ் காணோம், ரோஷன் ஜேம்ஸ், சபரிநாதன். டேய் அதுல பல பேர் மார்க்கே இல்லடா. வெறும் ஒரு 30 பேர் மார்க் தான் அதுக்கு. மீதி பேர் மார்க் இல்ல இதுல.
எதுலடா? டேய் உமர் எதுலடா?
மார்க் லிஸ்ட் ஒண்ணு அனுப்பிச்சாடுறா. சுரேஷ் உந்து கூட இல்ல, காலியா தான் இருக்குது. கவலைப்படாத. இன்னும் கரெக்ட் பண்ணல போல.
யாரு? கெமிஸ்ட்ரியா?
அப்ராத் அஹமத் கிளாஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். தப்ராத் அஹமத் தான்டா. ஐயோ தப்ரேஸ் அஹமத் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அதுக்கப்புறம் சிவம்குமார் சிங்க. இல்ல பிசிக்ஸ்லடா. கெமிஸ்ட்ரியா? அவர் இப்ப தர மாட்டாரு. செமஸ்டர் தான் தருவாரு. ஏய் உந்து கூட இல்லடா. ஏய் விஸ்வா பாறா நீயோடா செகண்ட் மார்க்டா கிளாஸ்ல.
ஏய் என்னதுடா
எஸ் சார்
Hello.
எஸ் சார் எஸ் சார் எஸ் சார் எஸ் சார்
Yes, sir. Sir.
உமர்
Is it audible?
ஏய் அப்புறம் பேசுவோம்
Is it audible?
வாய்ஸே கேட்கல சார் ஹலோ
Yeah.
sir your voice is completely not audible sir
ஏய் உமர் என்ன மார்க்டா சொல்லிட்டு இருந்த
அடே இது ரொம்ப முக்கியமாடா சார் அப்புறம் சொல்றேன் எப்படி போறது
Still it is not audible, guys. Guys,
No.
is it audible?
Audible, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, I will share the screen. Yeah. So this is we did that got 4 ohm and we got 8 ohm. So these are
சார் இது தெரியல சார் ஸ்கிரீன்
Sir,
தெரியல
Yes,
slide
sir.
is not-
ஸ்லைட் இஸ் நாட் விசிபிள்
now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, after we reducing that one, we got a new value 4 ohm and 8 ohm. These two are in series combination, and after so net total resistance value is 12 ohm. So 12 ohm is parallel with R6, na? 12 ohm is parallel with R6, right or not?
Yes, sir.
So find out the value. So what will be your equation? So 12 into 6 divided by 18. So 12 plus 6 is nothing but 18. So what you may get?
Sir, 4. Already found it.
You found it out. Okay, okay. So your value is 4. After you're getting 4, so this is how the circuit will be look like. So you got the new value of 4 and the existing resistor R5 is also having the value of 4 ohm. And if you look at the circuit, the RB and R5 become a series combination. And if you reduce this, you may get 8 ohm, and 8 ohm will get parallel with your another 8 ohm. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the simple trick is, if the value is similar, you may get off of the resistance value. So previously we got 1K resistor having the parallel combination of 1K resistor. So equivalent value is 0.5K. Here the parallel combination having an 8 ohm and 8 ohm. So what will be your equivalent value? It will be off of your resistance value. So 8 off is 4 ohm you may get. Is it right or not? So after reducing
I don't understand,
in
sir.
parallel
Please repeat one more
combination,
time, sir.
yeah, thing is, if the resistor which having same value which is connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance will be off of, off the value of your resistor value. So in previous case, we calculated the two resistor which is having a 1 kilo ohm. So your resultant value is 0.5 K. So off of your resistance value. But here 8 ohm is having a parallel combination with another 8 ohm. So your equivalent value will become 4 ohm. Why? Because if you look at the formula, what I'm going to do, 8 ohm will be multiplied with 8 ohm divided by 16. So you may get half of the value. So that's why I told you. So if simply, if the two resistor value having a same value, you can write directly as 4. If it is 8 and 8. Okay. Is that clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next, after reducing this, you can able to see that the new resistance value which I found having the series with another R3. So it became 8. Now R2 is 8 and new value is 8. So 8 parallel with 8, your value is 4. 4 you may get. So after that 4 is having the series combination with your R1. So that you may get 10 ohm. So this is the total resistance value. Just simple concept, but it may take a lot of steps to design. Can you able to solve this problem? In next class, I want to see, but I will change the value. Why? Because I given the material, I will change the value. You want to work it out. So
Okay,
what
sir.
they are asking, yeah. So they are asking to calculate the individual branch current. They are asking to calculate I1, I2, I3, and I4. So and total current drawn from the power supply. So they are asking IT also for the following set of resistor connected together in parallel combination. Okay. So here, so what will be your concept? So BS is equal to 24. So same voltage will be available at R1, R2, R3, and R4. Why? Because if it isn't connected in parallel, the voltage will be common for all the component. Only the current will get divided. So from the total, here I1 is dropping. So here what is the current flow will be there? IT minus I1, right? IT minus I1, the current flow will be go flow. So, and after in this point, IT minus I1 minus I2. Similarly, at this point, IT minus I1 minus I2 minus I3 will flow through this point. At the end, while coming in here, the I3 will get added, and in this point, I2 will get added from the equation, and in this point, I1 will get added. So at the end, you may get IT here. Okay. So now in next class, you want to find, and I will tell the value. Just make Vs equal to 20 volt. Okay. Guys, note it down. It is not 24. For a problem, you just make it 20 volts.
Only
Okay.
you are changing B values, sir. Other values will be same, sir.
Yeah. I will change it. And make R4 as 400 ohm. And this I will change to 50. Okay, so this is R4 is 400. I will rewrite. And this I will change to 25. Okay. Who is at the end of the session asking to join? Ragdeshwaran.
Sir, actually some of this
Ragdeshwaran.
send automatically, sir. அது அப்போ வந்துருது இல்ல சார். நானும் அப்படியே கிளாஸ் கவனிச்சிருந்தா டக்குனு வெளியே போயிட்டேன் சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நானும் உள்ள வந்தேன். அது அதுவா போயிடுது.
Okay. I will post this in the chat box. Guys, all of you follow the note while taking the class. Just note down what are the problems I am solving. You try to solve in the note. Don't scribble in the paper and let it go anywhere. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I posted the problem. So I will ask you to post the answer.
Sir, till page number what sir will be the first unit, sir? இதுல total 162 pages இருக்கு. First unit எது வரைக்கும் சார் வரும் இதுல?
First, open the book and check it out. There will be unit-wise topic.
Yeah,
will
sir,
be
but
there.
it is not as per as our syllabus. Number syllabus வந்து fundamental னு போட்டுருக்கு. அதுல வந்து DC.
Yeah, based upon our syllabus only, that book is available. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, at the end of the first unit, which covers the entire first unit syllabus. Okay, this book.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, I will take the attendance. Line.
எல்லாரும் குரல ரெடி பண்ணி.
One more thing, I don't know whether you are constantly doing or
Which, sir?
So I just listened the yesterday recorded video. After I left due to network problem, you people are talking like, yes, our left, we will talk casually.
Sir, is it, sir?
Every class is recorded and that one is uploaded in YouTube or Microsoft
YouTube -ஆ?
Stream. Yeah.
பயந்துட்டேன், YouTube problem.
So don't try to talk casual things when I'm not available.
Okay.
And it will be reviewed by DC or anyone. Okay. Okay, answer attendance. Omar,
Present, sir.
Pradeep,
Sir.
Pragatishwar,
Present, sir.
Prasad, Rafael.
Present, sir.
Guys, okay,
Rafael
Rajasuriya.
present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Rajasuriya, Rakesh,
Present, sir.
Ranjit Kumar,
Present, sir.
Ratish, Ranjit Kumar. Ranjit now only is coming inside. Somebody told present, sir. Ranjit,
There.
Ranjit, are you there? Ranjit is in no hold mode. Away.
Illa,
Can you
sir.
talk? If you, yeah.
Hey, Ranjit, sir.
I-
Sir, actually, he's traveling, sir. My friend only, sir. He's traveling somewhere. That's it.
During classes, you have to travel somewhere.
Emergency.
And Ratish is available. 61. Okay, I will make it absent. Roshan,
Present, sir.
Sabrinathan,
Present, sir.
and what happened to is Rahul and all absent continuously? And Shaktivel,
Present, sir.
Sir,
Sanjay,
excuse me,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Ranjit Kumar,
Sir,
sir.
Ranjit Kumar is in call, sir. சொல்றா அவர்கிட்ட.
Sir,
Sir, I and you in separate lobby, sir.
You are in lobby. Ranjit,
ஒரு பேச எனக்கு எதுவுமே கேட்கலடா.
நான் கேட்கலன்னா பரவாயில்லடா, நீ சொல்ற நான் கேட்டேன்.
சார் நீங்களும் நானும் மட்டும் தனியா ஒரு லாபில இருக்கோம் சார்.
சார் ஆக்சுவலி அவனுக்கு
Myself,
சிக்னல் இஷ்யூ போல சார். அவனும் நீ வேற ஒரு லாபில இருக்கிற மாதிரி காமிக்குதான் அவனுக்கு. தனியா ஒரு லாபில இருக்கிற மாதிரி காமிக்குதான் நெட்.
நான் மெசேஜ் அனுப்புறேன் பாரு.
ஓகே, நல்லா மெசேஜ் பண்ணு.
Sir, Sanjay present, sir.
participate list. Yeah. Okay, Sanjay present. Sarvesh,
Present, sir.
Satish Kumar, Satish Kumar, absent.
யா சார்.
Satyamurthy,
Satyamurthy present, sir. Yes, sir, present, sir.
Sriram, Santosh
Sriram
is
present,
waiting
sir.
inside. Yeah, okay, Sriram. Oh my God. Okay. And Shrikant J.
சார்.
K. Shrikant.
Present, sir.
Srinath.
Present, sir.
Srivarshan. Is there? Ratish, just mute your mic. Ratish, mute your mic. Srinath present.
Present, sir.
Okay, Srivarshan.
Present, sir.
Suresh Balaji,
Present, sir.
Vikendra,
Present, sir.
yeah. Ahmed,
Present, sir.
Tejeshwaran,
Present, sir.
Tilagan, Tilagan, are you there? Tilagan absent. Tony,
Sir, Tilagan is also network issue only, sir.
So Satish Kumar can't enter the class, sir, because of network issue.
Present, sir.
Satish Kumar 70, yeah. He cannot able to enter.
சார் அவங்க
Yes,
வராங்க
sir,
சார்
he
பட்
can't
இந்த லிஸ்ட்ல
enter
காமிக்க
the
மாட்டேங்குது they are it is showing that they are in separate lobby எனக்கும் அப்படிதான் ஸ்டார்டிங்ல காமிச்சிச்சு நீங்க ஏதோ கால்
Yes,
பண்ணீங்க
sir.
அப்புறம் வந்தீங்க
Satish Kumar. Okay.
ஒரே குஷ்டமா இருக்கு சார் ஆன்லைன்
This semester it will be. So Tony present, huh? Tony,
Present, sir.
Vimal,
Present, sir.
Vishwabalan,
Present, sir.
Shivam,
Present, sir.
Benjamin,
Present, sir.
Arnachalam, Arnachalam, absent.
The Arnachalam is
Shivashakti.
present, sir. He's raising his hand, sir.
அங்க
Okay.
இங்க பாருங்க சார் அதுல கையை தூக்கி இருக்கான் பாருங்க சார் அங்க
I
பாவம்
have to look at the camo or I want to look at the team. I have to
நான்
switch
சொல்றத
tabs.
சார் அவன்
Why can't he talk?
சார்
I
that is
think always raising the
he's
hands.
saying also saying sir அருணாச்சலம்
Okay.
Arunachala
Arnachalam present. Shivashakti,
Present, sir.
Srinivas, Rajesh Kumar, Rajesh Kumar, absent. Rajesh Kumar is outside. Ranjit outside, Tilakan outside, Vimal outside.
ரஞ்சித் பிரசன்ட் சார்
I can't. No. Here, if you look at that participant list, it's showing outside.
sir he even texted sir you and me are in separate lobby text கூட பண்ணிருக்கான்.
Yeah. I consider it. I'm telling.
ஓகே சார்
And Dhoni is absent. Dhoni absent. Post attendance. Okay. Second. Thank you all. Any queries?
no sir
Okay, thank you.
No,
You can
sir.
leave the class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.